Okay, so in this video we will see about simple storage service. Okay, so this playlist gonna be we're gonna discuss about AWS storage services. Okay, so to begin with, we'll say Amazon S3 simple storage service. Okay, so it's an object storage service from AWS that provides highly scalable, durable, and secure storage for a wide range of data types. Okay, so S3 stores data as objects within buckets. Okay. So you have to keep in mind about buckets and objects. Okay. And includes various features for managing, organizing, and securing your data. We will see some main components of Amazon S3 buckets. Okay. Buckets are nothing but it- it's a container for storing objects. Okay. Each bucket has a unique name with AWS. Okay. So you cannot like it's like unique. For example, for example, you write a name, a one bucket name, with with the same name, you cannot create another bucket. Okay, so it acts as a top level directory for data storage and can be configured with specific permission and settings. Okay, the functions are like buckets organize your data in S3, similar to folders in a file system, and you can set up access controls, versioning, logging, and encryption for each bucket. Okay, and objects. Objects are the fundamental entities stored in Amazon S3, representing your data files. An object consists of data. Actual file contain example image, video, or document, metadata. Information about the objects like file type, size, and user defined key value pairs. Okay. Key. A unique identifier, the object name with object name is nothing but a key within a bucket. Okay. Functions. Objects can be any type of file, and you can set different storage classes, metadata, and access permission for each object. Okay. Then see what is keys means. Key is unique name that identifies an object within it. Okay. Each object in a it has a unique key which acts as a path in S3. Okay. Function. Key allow you to organize objects and are used to retrieve, manage, and access objects programmatically. Keys can be organized using prefixes similar to folder structures. Okay. Storage classes. Storage classes defines the cost and availability characteristics of your data storage. Types we will see. We have many types in the storage classes. First type is standard for frequently accessed data, which means you save a data, okay, you store a data. If you want to access it frequently, you go for standard. So according to your need, like you can use the storage classes. Then we have intelligent tiering. So these are like automatically move objects into access tiers, frequent and infrequent based on the usage. Okay. If you want to like frequently or like if you want infrequent, then you will go with intelligent layering. Then standard infrequent access and one zone high for less frequent access data, providing cost saving. Okay. Then glacier and glacier deep okay, for long-term data archive with low retrieval frequency. So for frequent access data, you prefer standard, and in intelligent and standard, you go for frequent and infrequent. Okay. And glacier is for like long-term archiving. Okay. So choose a storage class based on your access patterns and cost requirement. You can move the objects between storage classes to optimize cost. Okay. So we'll see access controls and security. So here we have bucket policies and ACLs. That is ACL. So this will allow you to control who can access your buckets and objects specifying information at both the bucket and object level. Yeah. IAM. So here it defines access to buckets and object based on our user roles and policies. So you have to keep in mind ACL means it's like mm, who can access your specific permission at both the buckets and object level. In IAM, it's based on roles and policies and encryption. So S3 offers server-side encryption and client-side encryption option for data at rest, ensuring secure storage for sensitive data. Okay, function. The security feature will protect your data, so which will allow you to control access and encryption to meet compliance and security requirement. Okay. Versioning. Okay, this is very important, guys. So versioning is an optional feature that lets you keep multiple versions of an object within a bucket. Suppose if you want to like use an old version, you can roll back. So that is something like good feature about this S3 bucket. Okay. Versioning allow you to recover previous version of objects and prevent accidental deletion. Okay. So making it useful for backup and data recovery. For example, you delete some objects, okay, but still you can recover it. That is something like versioning. Object lifecycle management. Lifecycle policy enable you to define rules to automatically transition objects to different storage classes or delete them after a certain period. So using this service, what you can do is, as per the demand, on demand, you can automatically transition objects to different storage classes or delete them after a certain period. It's like you can provision it. Okay. So lifecycle helps reduce storage cost by moving objects to cheap storage classes. Example, Glacier, or automatically deleting objects when they are no longer needed. Yeah. Next is data transfer and replication. So multi-part flow. Okay, which means this will allow you to upload large object in a smaller parts, improving performance and enabling resuming uploads if interrupted. Okay, cross region replication and same region replication. So you can replicate object across AWS regions or the same region, helping improve data durable compliance and performance. Okay, event notification. So S3 can trigger notifications for specific events. Example, object creation, deletion, or modification. So event notification allow you to integrate S3 with other AWS service like Lambda, SNS, or SQS. So enabling automated workflows and event-driven architecture. Okay. For example, if any events happen, immediately S3 can trigger notification for specific events. For example, if any object creation, you'll get a notification, event notification, deletion or modification. Data analytics and querying. So S3 select. So this will allow you to retrieve specific data from in an object. Example, specific rows from a CSV file. So using SQL like queries without needing to download the entire file. This S3 select, using this, you can do that. Next, Amazon S3 inventory and storage class analysis. Provide visibility into object metadata and storage class usage, so helping optimize costs and managing large data set. Okay. So this will provide visibility into object metadata and storage usage. It will help you to optimize cost and manage large data set. So, in summary, Amazon S3 offers a robust, flexible, and secure storage solution with components like bucket, object, keys, and storage classes. So, advanced features like access control, listening, replication, event notification, and analytics tools for managing data efficiency and cost effectively in cloud. So, this is all about storage service, right? I mean, main components. I think I help you understand because I try to explain you in simple terms. So in the next video, in detail explanation, we'll see about the storage services. Okay. Thank you guys.